Okay, this is Mrs. H's Biopsychology revision session, revision tips and feedback from your mock exam. Okay, so this particular question was identify the two components of the PNS, the peripheral nervous system, and then secondly, explain one difference in either their organisation or their function, okay, for 3 marks. So originally this had been on a sample paper for, I think, an extra mark or something like that. Right, so what some of you did was you muddled up the PNS with the ANS. All right, so be careful of that. The PNS is subdivided into the ANS, the autonomic, look at the spelling, autonomic nervous system, and the somatic nervous system. Okay, so that would be your first statement, is basically PNS subdivided into autonomic and somatic nervous system. All right, so that should have got you for this particular question 2 marks. And then explain one difference, right? So differences between them, you could say that the ANS controls the internal organs and the glands that deal with the flight-fight response, for example, whereas, okay, this is a comparison. Explain one difference. So you need to make some connector link, really, between the two. So whereas somatic nervous system controls the skeletal muscles and movement. So that would be one difference. Or you could say something like the ANS control center is in the brainstem, whereas the somatic nervous system control center comes from the motor cortex. So either of those.